So we're done with the eyes. Looks thicker now because of the tight lining that we did. This H&M pencil, eyebrow pencil. So what I normally do is that I bend it like this. I bought this from Hong Kong. Full concentration, guys. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to do a very easy makeup look. We're going to do my everyday makeup look. It's a very simple makeup style that you can use every day, even if we're just staying at home. But before we do that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos and the notification bell so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. So let's go to the video. So to start with, I'm going to put on some moisturizer to protect the skin. Always remember to put your moisturizer, guys. It will make your skin soft and it will make the makeup easier to apply. So I'm going to use this Body Shop moisturizer. When you're putting moisturizer, be gentle on your skin. Don't put it too much. So just be gentle, just a little tapping. Since what we're doing is just a very light makeup, I'm going to use the Sephora. This is the Matte Perfection Tinted Moisturizer. So this is my favorite and it's in shade Linen, number 7. So just put a little and then I'm going to use a buffing brush like this one. So what I normally do is that I rub it on my skin first to heat it up a little and then dab it on your skin. Always be gentle on your skin when you're putting products so that you don't damage your skin and you don't cause wrinkles. Don't forget to cover your neck too, so that the color of your face matches your neck. So now that we're done with the skin, you can use a concealer. And I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And the shade is Sable. Don't go heavy on the concealer, guys. Just put it on areas where you need it the most. So for me, what I normally do is that I just put a little here on the area where you can see the line, this part. Just like that. And then I will use another brush, this one. Just dab it and hold the brush far from the tip. So you just hold it in the middle like this and dab it because it will give you a lighter force when you put it on your skin. So it will not pull the skin too much. Go. So fresh and clean. I'm not going to put powder on this area because it normally shows the fine lines under my eyes. So I just leave it like that. So now that we're done with the skin, we're going to put some eyeshadow and I'm going to use a light one and that's from H&M. The color is Vintage Doll and an angled brush like this. Let's get a little of the product. Tap. I'll just tap it on my eyelid like this, very lightly. And then we'll do it on the other side. And then, to give a little color to your eyes, you can use a little bit orangey shade of eyeshadow. So for that, I'm going to use this brush and we're going to use the orange thing. Dab a little and then dab it on your eyelid and then on the other side. see. It just gave some pop of color to your eyes. Then I'll be putting some shimmer, a little dash of sparkle. I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to use this little sparkly shade. Now on the other eye. Now I'm going to emphasize the lash line. For that, I'm going to use this flat angled brush. And I'm going to use a black eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to draw it close to the lash line to make your lash look fuller. And then on the other side. There you go. Can you see the lashes? It makes the lashes look thicker. So that's a trick, guys. Now I'm going to put some mascara. I'm going to use this Curl Lash. I got this from Miniso. It's a very cute one, so I decided to buy one. So just curl your lashes. And then put on some mascara. Don't pump your mascara like this, guys, because it will put air inside and it will dry your mascara faster. So what I normally do is that I pull it out and then twist it like this to get the product. So I'm using the Hyper Curl Maybelline mascara. I like this one because it's waterproof, so no matter what happens to you, your mascara stays on. So you just put it like this and then zigzag. Close to the lash line, zigzag. Can you see the difference? It's longer and curler. Now, I'm going to put some falsies. This one is very thin, as you can see. Can you see that line? This part is very thin. It looks so natural. It won't make you look like you're wearing falsies. So you cut your lashes. Make sure that it fits your eyes. So test it first before you cut it. And then you put them together like that to make sure that their size is the same. So what I normally do is that I bend it like this. And then we're going to put some lash glue. And I bought this from Hong Kong. The glue is already black. It actually matches your lash line. So I'm going to use my tweezer, bend it a little. There it goes. So I normally use a spoolie to brush it out and make sure that it blends with the real lashes. So there you go. I got both lashes on. Now to make it more blended together, I'm going to get the eyeshadow again and the angled brush, and then I'm going to line it up again. Now we're gonna do a little tight lining, guys. So that's a technique where you put eyeliner, or like what I'm using. You're going to put it under the lash line to make your lashes look more thicker. We've done the lashes, so it looks thicker now because of the tight lining that we did. Now we're going to do the eyebrows. I like using this H&M pencil, eyebrow pencil. It's the Brow Specialist and the shade is Espresso Brown. So there's a spoolie on the other side and the pencil on the other side. So I'm going to brush the brows first, there, and then I'm going to put an outline and then fill it up. When you're drawing your eyebrows, guys, don't make it so full here because it will make you look grumpy. So just make it light here. You can put just light strokes front and then brush it off. Can you see this? And then I like using the same eyebrow pencil for my bottom lash line. Just the corner, guys. I don't put it fully because it makes you look older. So just at the end, just to give an illusion of a thicker lower lash line. Now, I prefer to use this Vice Cosmetic. I think this is only available in the Philippines, so I'm going to use this one. This is a lip tint, so you can also use it for your cheek. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this one on my cheek just a little and then blend it. See? For the nose, we'll just do a little contouring. I'm going to use this brush. It's angled but a little fluffy. I'm going to use this shade. So you just get some, tap it. And what I normally do is that I hold this brush like this. You pinch it so it will become thinner like this. And then blend it. That's the nice thing about this brush, because when you let go, it will be fluffy again and it will be good for blending. And then I'll just put some lighter shade of eyeshadow here to emphasize it more. This white one, the lighter shade. And for the highlighter, I love using this one, the Halo Illuminizer from H&M. So it's a cream highlighter. Take that one, dab it on the tip of your nose, here and here. And for the lips, we're going to use this Maybelline lipstick, the creamy matte lipstick. The shade is Technically Pink. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this simple tutorial. And if you do, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share to your friends, and comment down below if you have any tips or any other ideas on what you want my next video will be. And also, thank you to all my subscribers for hitting that subscribe button. That means a lot to me, guys. And see you on the next video. Bye!